started with an extra credit project where we had to persuade someone to do something. I chose to do it about our styrofoam trays because they're really bad for the environment. At first we were talking about reusable, but we weren't able to do that. It costed too much and it would take too long. And then we started working to get biodegradable trays.
So after she created her project, we started talking about it a little more in class, and we started to form a club to make that happen. We met with our principal with the dining services. We got biodegradable trays, which is what we got on May 1st.
We did snack sales and fundraisers basically at our talent shows, concerts. We hosted a movie night and we did something for Earth Day.
So we raised $900, and on May 1st we announced in the lunchroom during lunchtime that we had new trays for the rest of the school year. In the future, we are hoping to have no more styrofoam across all of the BASD districts.